G'day guys, Matt here from F.S.A Sessions Australia. I'm going to show you today how to fit up a fuel manager pre-diesel filter on the BT50. Shouldn't take too long, and I'll show you how to set it up and how to connect it all. So let's get into it. So in the kit you get the filter, the instructions obviously, and then all your fittings. Righto, you got your in, you got your out. I'm going to block these sides off, so put those in. Let's just thread seal it, so make sure there's no leaks. Okay, now on the other side, I'm going to put these ones in, like so. Now let's head over to the car. So we've just got that sitting there at the moment. Just spin them up. So put your two clamps on, feed your clip on, and what I'm going to do is pop, see the one that's here that says going in here, so we've got to pop this one off. So we just got to get a little pick, pull that up, and that a little bit of weaken, and that'll pop off. So now I've got it up. I've connected the other line up already. Just going to push this one, put it on. You'll hear a click, push that down, and we're good to go. So we'll bleed her up. Car not all the way on, just to as if you're going to start it. Accessories. Bit past accessories, the on, and then as soon as I say off, turn it off as quick as you can. So you don't have to bleed it up this way. I just like to bleed it up this way because it's the quickest and the easiest for me. You will need two people, but works for me. There is a bleed on the actual filter itself. Okay, now try and, hang on. Now try and start it. Really? Yep. Cool, thank you. Well, there you have it guys, pre-diesel filter all fitted up, car's running great. So now on to the next mod. Anyway guys, I'll bring you more videos soon. See yous.